Hello, this is Maria, my mom, Fernanda. My mom is going to show us how to make eggplant. Are these called stuffed eggplant?
Yeah.
Impianati? Melanzane impianati?
Ripieni.
Oh, ripieni. Melanzane ripieni.
Impianati.
What was an impianata?
I don't know.
Oh, sorry. Forgetting all my Italian.
Melanzane ripieni with formaggio, mozzarella, pane grattugiato, uova. Chiato. That's it.
Basil for taste.
All the spice you want it.
We filled these 2 pots half full.
Yeah.
To do what?
Boil the water. We have to boil the eggplant.
Boil the eggplant.
Yeah.
Like in full.
No. I have to cut it. We're going to cut it in half.
And so they have to be boiled.
Yeah.
No salt or anything?
No. When you leave this for a week or even less,
They get wrinkly.
syrupy.
You know what? That's what I'm turning into. That's me. I need better skincare. That's you bought these what, about a week ago?
Yeah.
They were sitting in the fridge.
And who knows for how long they have there. See this? No seeds.
No seeds. That's why you
See this?
Oh, yeah.
Full of seeds.
So what does that tell you?
These are much better than this. This you have to pick them when they are small, but they still have seeds, see? But it's another Portuguese.
Ma, you can't say those words.
Cabbage wood.
That. But it's food. You can't use those words. It's food. If it's a person, it's a different story.
Oh. See, even it's small, but look how much seeds.
Yeah. These are
Different
turning.
quality, I don't know.
These will be added to the filling. These we're keeping aside just in case there isn't enough. Since we're not adding meat, we're creating the filling strictly from the, what do you call these? Eggplants.
Yeah.
Melanzane. You enjoying your berries? I secretly put mushroom powder. I secretly put mushroom powder in there. Don't tell her.
Oh, go like that. Okay. So, pinch and it.
You're not adding any salt or herbs or anything into the water.
Okay.
All right.
See, so it's only for this. Maybe 4 or 5 people can.
Oh.
Because when you take it out from the skin,
You don't get much.
no.
And that's why you buy those extra big chunky guys
Yeah.
to help with the filling. Unless someone wants to add meat, then they can do that, right?
Yeah. Meat, I don't like.
Yeah, I don't like it with the meat either, actually. And I'm gonna continuously stir and make sure that everything gets boiled.
Not this.
Okay, I'll see you back here, Ma.
Oh my God.
Well,
Like, not exactly, but yeah.
well,
Not exactly, but she kicked me out. Mama, did you
oh dear God. Okay, that's a big X there. Bye. We're gonna leave this under the water.
Yeah.
And what are we gonna do, Ma?
And we're gonna drain those. Make them a little bit cold, and it's gonna be nice to cut this chunk. But or else I'm gonna cut it with a knife. So.
Okay, you're gonna put hard bread at the base.
Yeah, only because maybe I don't have enough breadcrumbs.
Oh,
So you can put this.
in there.
And then we put breadcrumbs
Okay.
and garlic. I could put cherry. No.
I do, small one.
This one.
All right, so what are you feeling for now? Like you're just adding
Put
stuff.
more bread. Yeah.
My generation needs measurements.
Basil. And Parmesan over top.
I don't think you brought Parmesan.
In the plate there was no other cheese.
Guadalupe, no, I think that's it. Oh, here, yeah, Parmesan. Oh my gosh.
You learned not to throw anything.
No, I'm learning that everything is thrown in here. And there's no... I'm not understanding what the purpose of all these ingredients is.
What you're going to do only with eggplant and nothing. You do like a meatball, the patty.
I don't really like meatballs, to be honest with you. But
That-
I don't make them, but I understand. You're putting, so like you're making a meatball, you add breadcrumbs, eggs,
That's
the
right.
meat. In this case, it's the eggplant.
Yeah,
Do you add garlic to a meatball?
yeah.
Okay, so we're adding, so pretty much meatball, but with an eggplant.
Yeah,
Garlic, you're adding how
as
many?
much as you want.
So it's really, again, to taste.
Okay, we're gonna bake.
Don't you have to break it in something? Because one time I was in Montreal and I broke an egg and there was a little chick inside.
That's good. That wheat chicken and wheat
Oh,
eggplant.
Jesus. Well, it was dead, but still. Eggs are to hold everything together.
We'll mix everything. Okay, finish it with the garlic first, and then you're gonna do this. Okay, salt.
Just regular salt, right? You don't need the sea salt. If I'm making a salad.
More. More. Okay, that should be okay.
Okay?
Black pepper, yeah. Okay.
I can add more. I have to add more in here.
That's okay.
It's okay?
Okay.
All right.
Now you mix everything together.
By hand.
One hand. That's
One hand.
one hand you hold it, and one hand,
You mix.
yes. Já te preparava com tudo isso.
I was gonna make like a pasta. One hand I hold, one hand I mix. Well, it's not hot anymore at least.
Meu bowl, huh?
The hell with this guy's not broken.
Isso de What?
And what about these guys?
It's syrup from
Yeah? Do I squish while I'm doing this?
Yeah.
Okay, wait, why are you adding more? You have to explain these things to me.
I mix everything together. So not all eggplant without anything.
No substance. You added another egg.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see what you're saying. It's becoming more consistent, right?
Yeah. I'm gonna put one more egg.
Okay.
See? You just squeeze with the finger. Okay, try now and see how this had to be.
Oh, but why are you putting salt? You missed that step with me. Why did you put salt?
Because
No,
it
but you already
needs to
put
be
your-
salt.
I know, but we talked about this before, and I asked if we needed to salt anything, and you said no.
Che sarà scappucciato come un cappuccio da
Sorry.
Monaco.
What, is it too thin? What happened? I was removing the inside.
La facessi buona pelata.
Hold on, I have to make room for my side now. Okay, so if you plan on freezing them, you have to first place it in a tray. And my mom suggested placing like parchment paper or cellophane, as long as they don't stick. So what happens is when they freeze, they might stick to the pan.
See, you have to fill it the inside.
Ah. These that we're making here is to freeze.
Yeah.
Okay, we're not baking any today.
Yes, I'm going to bake. I've got the plate.
Oh, we are gonna bake some.
We are going to bake some.
So we will show you.
E mangiare.
And we'll eat. Yes, of course.
Mentre ancora. Ecco che ci lasci. Ecco.
It's sticky. It sticks to
Ecco,
my.
mentre lo voglio. Vola vasellina.
Well,
It's sticky.
how do you know? There.
Allisce la mano bene bene. Che la lasci come una spina.
Oh, that's what you mean. Okay. See, I tore this one, but you still made it work. Right?
Yeah. We're going to have enough.
So if you don't have enough shell, so you have the filling left over, you can make these and you can bake them on their own. Yeah, pretty much. If you have these left over, then you can freeze them. But do they come out yucky?
But we don't have too much, so even if it's left over 2 or 3, that's okay.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay, and you're gonna place the sauce on top of that?
Yeah.
Again, not necessarily, but because it's summer and the tomatoes are nice and fresh.
Шукаю на чого-то, мені ж побалить.
You need more oil?
Не бачимо, я.
Should I lower it down to 350?
No.
Okay. So you didn't need those extra 3 melanzani?
I'm gonna put it in the jar.
Oh, you're gonna make the
Maybe
pickled
one jar
ones.
it's gonna come. Yep.
Okay. Okay, you want me to put that in the oven? You wanna hold this? No?
Put this. No problema. That's it. You want to do that?
Yeah, I'll check. They should be firm like that, no?
Yeah.
Any more olive oil or no?
Let it dry.
Oh. That one I did a mess.
Yeah, I think they're okay with oil.
Think they're okay?
Yeah.
So we place them back in the oven?
2 more, yeah, maybe 5 or 7 more minutes.
Okay. And they're done. We're going to eat them now. Thank you very much. If you want more recipes, please comment below and let us know what you'd like to my mom to make and for me to learn. You're getting the shot, Ma. And we'll see you next time.
Ciao. You're not gonna have it?
I am. It's hot.
Yeah, just to cut this for to show.
Just to show it.
To cut one here. They,
Okay. My mother, the director.
see? Nice and brown.
Thank you. I'm not going to bite into this yet because it is steaming hot, but you can see the texture. It's still very moist.
Buona giornata.
Buona giornata. Thank you, Ma.
You're welcome.